All right, question 8. ABCDE is a pentagon. So ABCDE, so this is a 5-sided shape pentagon. You can see the angles are not the same, so this is not a regular pentagon. Angle BCD is 2 times angle ABC. So angle BCD is dependent on angle ABC. So where is ABC? ABC. So this is my X. Angle BCD is 2 times that. So it's 2x here. That is very key. All right, so BCD is dependent on ABC. Work out the size of angle BCD. So we need to work out this one here. You must show all your working out. So a 5-sided shape, and I'm working with angles. So what topic is this? This is the topic of angles in shapes or polygons. So step 1 is I need to calculate the total angle. From the total angle, I've got unknown angles. So I need to work out the unknown. So step 2 is to find x. So that will be some sort of equation. And then once I get x, this is 2x. So step 3 is to find 2x. So step 1, total angle. So what's the formula for a 5-sided shape? It is x minus 2 times by 180. Or not x minus 2, n minus 2. N is the number of sides times 180. So this is a pentagon. So it's 5 sides. 5 take away 3. 5 take away 2 gives me 3. Times by 180. It's a calculator question, so I can use my calculator, get my calculator out. 180 times 3 is 540. You don't really need a calculator if you can remember that, if you're confident with your arithmetic skills. So I've got 540. That's my step 1 done. Now I need to turn this into an equation. So if I look at this, this is a right angle, which is 90 degrees. So I can now turn this into an equation. So my equation is going to be 90 plus 115 plus 125 plus x plus 2x equals 540. Let me box that up so it's clear for me. 540. Now I have an equation. So what I do with this equation is I simplify it. So I've got x and 2x, that gives me 3x. And these number terms, so let me just box these to make it clear. I've got positive x and positive 2x, so that's 3x. These are number terms, so I add the like terms together. So I've got 90 plus 115 plus 125. That gives me 330 equals 540. Now I've got my equation. I can subtract. I do opposite, so minus 330, minus 330. 3x equals, use my calculator, 530 take away 330, 210. And then I need to remove the 3, so I divide by 3 because this is 3x, 3 times x. Divide by 3, divide by 3. X equals, divide by 3 gives me 70. So let me check my steps that I did at the beginning. I've got my total angle. I've found x. Now I need to find 2x. So if x is 70, 2x will be 70 times 2. So that gives me 140. So write that in my answer box, 140. As a double check, let me just read the question to make sure I've understood and answered everything. Angle BCD is 2 times the angle of ABC. So I've got that correct. X and 2x. The total angle here was 540 because 5 sides take away 2 gives me 3 times by 180 is 540. I've turned that into an equation, adding all of these angles together. That gave me 540, and so when I was rearranging everything, x is equal to 70, 2x equals to 140. So I've answered my question.